Well, go on, everybody. Um, so this is not it's not a host update or nothing like that video. This is a care video, and just a share something we don't know, right? Like, so this morning, right, ready for do road, you know what I mean? And we jump out and start up the car for warm it up, you know what I mean? There's still ice on the windshield, remnants of it. But start it up, you know what I mean? Warm up, come back inside, come back out, boom, car dead. Now start. Try turn it over, no dice. So we jump start it with the U-Haul truck, you know what I mean? Fast forward, car start again and it still sound like it a bug down. So hook up the, you know what I mean, the multimeter. We get 12 volts of the battery, check the alternator, and we there get something like 11 or something like that. You know what I mean? So yeah, we get to the point now where may I, check the wiring because it's a new alternator and new battery and it's a factory battery, right? Honda battery and the alternator proper, you know what I mean? And when we just get it, everything there work fine. So we do some checking online and the man them say check this black and yellow wire the connector. We go up on the alternator. Let me flip around the camera. Get the lights. So yeah, right there you see that green connector, the middle terminal or middle whatever connects to the black and yellow wire. So we have that connected right now. We have the this thing, the other half of the power probe. So this section, which allows you to search for shortages in the wire via, where is it? Okay, this thing, right? So let me get an example. Yeah, right? So it does that when, you know what I mean, it pick up the signal. I have the multimeter connected so we can see what it do. So it actually send this voltage through whichever system you're connected to and then you can follow said wire and see where it falls off. So follow with me. So, you know what I mean? We do this, it does that, right? All of this. You check the black, nothing. Boom. Over here, check this, nothing. So there's no feedback, right? It's only sending it from the unit up here. This is my understanding. I know facts, right? Because I couldn't find the instruction manual. That's somewhere else. Hopefully I still have it. But either way, boom, open, shut, and yeah, you just follow this. So follow me now. Follow me now. All right, we're going under. Follow me. Follow me. So we'll come up here. Oh, let me get the camera right. This video is going to be atrocious, but bear with me because this won't be edited. So you can see, oh, everything is dripping. You can see the green connector there, right? Boom. So let me put this on the wide angle and get a different view. There. All right. So you can see the connector. Connector right. Where's this? Yeah. So there's the green connector, right? So we're gonna put it up there. Hopefully we can get the light. It's so tricky. Right? So getting it at the green connector, right? We'll come down here, follow the wire, right? We'll come up here. Still very good, right? But watch that. You see that? So right down below, we have in the middle light, and then down here we get this down arrow and a different beep. And if I follow it and continue, the beep slower, and then now I cannot get anything. Now mind you, this that section of the wiring there, that's in some kind of plastic housing, so I know that I mess with the frequency, like how strong that signal is. So but nonetheless that sound is still there. So what I am going to do, let me get back out. Oh my gosh, you guys have to bear with me because, hold on, yeah, me not edit this, me just will drop it. So it's like, if you want to watch, you watch. But the plan now is to pack it up for the night because I like, what time? 1:21 a.m. Right? We just want to be careful drive, but that is a different kind of worm. So yeah, tomorrow I'm probably take that off and see if I know corrosion or broken wire or something like that, because me can't even find the wiring harness to buy like that, you know what I mean? And me don't want to buy a bag of wire only if you find so that no work. And as far as wiring goes, like you can fix wiring, right? So it's like me have beer, hold on, flip this around. Me have beer wire, isn't it? Me have more wire than this. But like wiring on this, me have spare things, you know what I mean? We can cut up something and fix it. We can fix it. So yeah, me just to share that with you guys. Cool tool, right? So cool. Penny. Yeah, share that with you guys, you know what I mean? Hope everybody good. Otherwise, you know what I mean? We're good. The place nice. Also, yeah, welcome to the garage. I keep this. Yeah, this is the shop. This is the shop, guys. Honda, you know what I mean? Fit with the door lock. We have a little baby garage heater going. Yo, that thing, mad. $20. You know what I mean? Convert that to Jamaican at like $2,000. You know what I mean? So imagine now, bros. For the man them with their Jamaica, right? A minus whatever it be outside. You see me? For $2,000, you can warm. You can warm and you can work. You know what I mean? Because the cold will discourage a lot of people from doing anything. But like, you see me? My gloves up. You know what I mean? My water boot. And me tam, I'm good. So it's like, you know what I mean? Just a share the thing with them. But yeah, before me ramble on, big up on yourself. May I shut this shit down because too late, me tired. You see me? So yeah. Yeah, man. Catch you in the next one. Peace.